SDV Entertainment.
You're welcome, Your Excellency. Please, one more time, can we give the governor a round of applause, please? A resounding round of applause, please. You're most welcome, sir. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we kick off the 2021 Silverberg Man of the Year, it's my honor and pleasure to introduce the host. But before we do that, we want to rise for the national anthem. Hold on please, let the governors take a seat. You're welcome, Your Excellency. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome once again to the 2021 Silverberg Man of the Year. We rise to the national anthem.
That created a vision almost 20 years ago, like what my good Egbon again, Senator Ben Greenland said. God, who has helped him put a vision around Silverbird. God, who has helped all of us as individuals, as Nigerians, to be alive today, to witness yet another event, to thank the Almighty God for all of the great things that He's doing, even with the war that is going on in different parts of the world, that He continues to protect each and every one of us. So my first acknowledgement is to that supreme being, that omnipotent God, the one that is bigger than all of us, the one that is greater than all of us, who continues to protect each and every one of us, for sparing our lives and for bringing all of us here this evening. I think it will be unfair of me not to acknowledge, even if it's in absentia, all of the great Nigerians that have had the singular opportunity to have received this particular award before me. And you know, when you hear the likes of late Dr. Dora Akiwili, when you hear the names like Idoyen in telecommunication, Dr. Mike Adenuga Jr., when you hear His Royal Majesty Sanusi Lamido Sanusi, you hear about the richest man in Africa, Alhaji Aliko Dangote. You hear about our great leader, the man who is striving to become the president of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You hear about an outstanding Nigerian, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. These are the very distinguished Nigerians that Silverbird had handed over this award to. I feel truly honored and humbled that I'm sharing the same award with these Nigerians that have displayed tremendous capacity, that has helped to build this nation. And indeed, we can see that what Silverbird is about identifying excellence and identifying people that truly really have paid the price of ensuring that they can be part of the greatness of this country. And so I feel honored and humbled that Nigerians in general